Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to be taking a walk around this beautiful fresh arrival used unit, guys. 2025 Ford Transit T250 cargo van. This one is going to be all-wheel drive, so perfectly safe for all times of the year for you. So you have your big mirrors here, blind spot there for you. Getting a look inside the passenger seat here, so you're going to have all leather seats, making it much easier to keep clean for you guys here. Cup holder up there. Power locks on this one, and then into the back. So as you guys can see, this one is pretty much just a plain canvas. It's got some hooks down here so you can strap down anything that you need to, but other than that, this one is a plain canvas ready for you to build it in whatever way that you might want to. So whether that's you want to turn it into a camper van, whether you want to turn it into a work van, you can do anything that you possibly want with this one. Coming around the far side here, we'll get into the driver's seat of this one. So right here on this Transit, it's going to be your fuel tank. So your steering wheel, radio up here, gear shift, all that good stuff, guys. You're going to have power windows on this one, as well as your mirrors, so it is adjustable in any way that you want it. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.